All right, welcome back. Today we're going to start the second project for the bio unit, and it's called the Grassy head. This will be the companion to your succulents, and by now your succulents should be rooting and should be very healthy. Right, make sure you water it as instructed. But let me show you this guy. Let me show you how to build this guy. Okay, we'll start with our 4 items to get this thing going. You'll need your sock. You need a scoop or a spoon. You need your toilet paper tube. And you'll need the sandy soil. There's 2 different types of soils in your kits. You'll need the sandy soil, and you can tell because it's a little bit grittier than the other one. Okay, so we'll start with our sock. We'll open it up like this. There's actually an item I forgot. We need the seeds. We'll grab our sock, we'll open it up like this. We'll grab our tube, put it just like that. Then you grab a spoonful of seeds. Just like that. So the seeds have to be at the bottom of the sock, and then after that you can go outside or carefully inside start scooping in your dirt. You want to have a nice, about fist-sized ball here. Okay, once you're done scooping in the dirt, you can put away your tube and pack everything down. Make sure it's nice and squeezed down in there. Just like that, and pull on your sock. Don't be scared of stretching it. It actually helps if you stretch it. It'll open up the gaps between the threads, and that'll allow the grass to pass easier. Just like that, nice and tight. And then you tie it. Do one big knot. There it is. You can see the seeds right on top. You have a little ball of dirt down here. The next step is to decorate. So you can put your dirt down at the bottom. You can squish it, move it around, kind of however you want to do it. Right? You can form the ball. It's almost like clay right now, the way it feels. And you just gotta make sure that your grass seeds are on top like this. Then you can grab your foam pieces. You can grab a couple eyeballs. And you'll grab your nails. Then with some scissors, you can form whatever you want with these. It could be hands, it could be arms, it could be feet. Could be the lips, the nose, eyebrows, whatever you want to add to this little grassy head. Okay, now that you have your foam pieces cut out, you can grab a nail and you'll pierce the little foam piece all the way through. Just like that. And do that for all of them. Okay, now that you have all your pieces pierced with a nail, you can start attaching them to your little head. So the nail is a little bit thicker than the holes in the thread, so you might have to wiggle it. There it is. Okay, now that you have all your features attached and your eyeballs attached too, you can grab your cup that we included and you can place your little head in there, just like that. Looks kind of cute. And now we grab our pipette. So what we're forming right now, this is called, it could be called passive hydroponics. And that means that the seeds are being fed through a reservoir of water, which is going to be down here in your cup. And the idea is that the sand is going to draw the water up to the seeds and feed the plant without you having to water it too much once it grows. While it's growing, it'll need a lot of water because the seeds need a whole lot of they need moisture to germinate. If they lose the moisture, if they get too dry, they'll just die off. And you'll notice right now, as I'm watering it, the water does not want to go down in there. Your sock is a little hydrophobic. So we give you this pipette so you can stick it right in there and squeeze. And you'll see that the water goes straight into the dirt. Do that about 10 times. So now that my soil is saturated with water, any water that runs off is going to be stored in this little reservoir, this little cup. And now it's really, really important to water your plant, your little grassy head, twice a day. So in the morning and then in the afternoon or at night. And you just squirt it maybe 3 or 4 times with water, different points where you can get on the side, on the other side, and that's it. And that's to, again, to keep the seeds moist so they don't dry out and they can germinate. You know they're germinating when they start sprouting tiny little seeds, like little shoots like this one right here. You see one right here too, right? That means that it's working. And then eventually you'll see roots coming out the back, down the bottom, down the sides. Once those roots are long enough, then you can just water it maybe once a week, twice a week. And it'll start that capillary action. Okay, now that you have your grassy head done, you can put it next to your succulent planter, and this will conclude our plant-focused bio project. And again, this is all biology, which is a study of life. We're going to continue our study of life through the animal kingdom in the next project. So I'll see you guys later.